Hi everyone, I'm one of the patients in New Roots Hair Clinic. I just had my hair transplant yesterday and I have been planning for this since 2016. But I was living abroad, I wasn't sure that where I'm gonna do it. So recently I came home in Bangladesh and I was doing some online research and found New Roots Hair Clinic through their social media page. And I saw their good reviews. I was still confused if I should continue here or not. And I came to visit here. I found the people, like when I visited the doctor and nurses and all the people here around, they were very hospitable and welcoming. So it boosted my confidence, like maybe I can do it here. They explained all the procedures and everything very well. So that's why I'm here. So yesterday, in the consultation with the doctors, they told me there are 3 procedures can be done in New Roots Hair Clinic. One is a basic FUE method. The other one is a FUE Sapphire. If you come and visit in New Roots, they will explain it better. And there's another procedure they also do, which is called DHI. So I chose to do the FUE Sapphire method here. The doctor told me I'm gonna need around 2,500 graft in my frontal zone. So they showed me what are the differences and what are the process for the recovery and how long it might take. So at the first I was a bit anxious and also confused, but after learning about all those things, I was very confident that. So I started yesterday in the morning around 10 a.m. and they brought me in the OT room. They asked me a few questions like if I have taken my breakfast, if I'm feeling well. They gave me antibiotic and the procedure started. And I was also worried about the pain, like if I would feel something, but they gave me anesthesia in my donor area and also in the frontal zone, so I haven't felt anything during the procedure, and I was completely sleeping for even a couple of hours. And I think if any of you are interested to visit New Roots Clinic, I think it's worth visiting, at least to know what is all hair transplant about. So it's a very good place to visit. That's all. So welcome everyone, and I wish all the best to New Roots Hair Clinic.